This is the committee, right? This is the committee that contributes to the plan for the tiny house, right, Stace?
I'm going to get nervous and forget everybody's name. Because that's what I do when I have to introduce people. Pretty much exactly what I do.
Okay, well here's the committee. Everyone's discussing. What are you guys discussing anyway? Stace, what are you guys
discussing the siding, which is going to be a surprise, so we're not really going to tell you guys what the siding is going to be at this point.
Sneak peek.
Oh,
Sneak
peek.
Sorry!
No, you're not supposed to do that.
Now you're going to have to edit the video.
Okay, so this is Annie. Annie lives next door.
Hi.
And this is Sean. Sean is partly our electrical and plumbing consultant and cheerleader, one of our best cheerleaders.
Slash head tool loaner.
And,
That's right.
And also tool loaner. Yeah, we blew up his planer, but we won't talk about that right now.
Ah.
Yeah.
Actually, as it turned out, he didn't. But
And this is Mark, and we all know, like, he's the brains and the brawn of the entire project, and he's making it all look really pretty, and it's not going to blow off of the trailer bed when we drive it to Portland.
Oh, good. And who's driving it? He'll be happy to know.
We don't really know who's driving.
Oh.
Oh, no, my friend Rich Brown, who's a firefighter here in Boise, is going to be driving it.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. We don't know how he's going to be driving it yet, but he's going to be driving it.
Okay.
And
so
this is Dave. We have Dave here, who's Mark's brother. Or Rob. See, I told you I'd get
That's
nervous
okay. You go by Dave too, don't you, Rob?
Sorry. Okay, so they're everybody.
And Piper, the photographer.
yeah, the videographer.
And our wonderful,
That's me.
who I told to talk. She gets to talk. She can't just be silent behind the camera anymore.
And I was doing so well at
No
that.
more silence. No more silence.
All right, go back to your discussion. I know this is serious business.
We call this
We
beer
were
30.
thinking of going to the composite or the decomposing toilet.
Oh, you're going to move on to that conversation.
Composting.
Very
Composting.
rapidly,
Decomposing toilet or the composting
yeah, the
toilet?
conversation is rapidly decomposing down to potty humor.
No.
Oh, I have to leave now.
No, but we're putting in a real toilet.
Oh, you are?
You haven't caught up on
Oh, we
that?
didn't know.
Yeah, because the latest is that I'm going actually into an RV park near Portland that accepts tiny houses.
Oh.
And so we're actually putting in a real toilet, which makes everybody in the circle
Is everybody
very
happy? Mark's very happy.
They're not okay with that whole composting
always
toilet
happy.
thing. So they're pretty happy with that.
Okay, Jenny's happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Jenny won the circle.
She must be the toughest of
No,
the five
I know.
dogs.
Well, I don't know what happened to my dog. She disappeared. So
Oh, where's
she's over
something?
there.
Oh, okay. All right. See you later,
Thank you,
guys.
Piper.
Have a pea trap and plenty of water.